Hello there mga katats and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Alam niyo naman siguro kung nasan ako. Pag Monday daw you have to wear red para daw swerte. Start of the week daw. Dapat ikaw wear red, ikaw dapat lucky para all the way, all the linggo, ikaw lucky. So we're here today at Ongpin, Binondo. Chichibug po tayo. But I won't be alone. May makakasama po ako. Ito na po ang makakasama ko mga katets. Ian Red, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm so happy to be here and come back soon.
Officially, first time po ni hindi na first time, bali second time, pero ngayon talaga yung kasama ko talaga siya ng basta magkasama kami ngayong araw na to. Kakain kami together dito sa aming Binondo
Manila.
Food Trip. Yes, Binondo Ongpin, Chinatown, Philippines, Beijing. Let's start eating. So, here's Ian Red! Alam mo, ako yung naka-red, dapat ikaw.
Okay na yun.
Ako na tuloy si Divine, hindi ko na lang si Divine Ian. Ako si Ian Tetay. Charot po, hello! Kamusta naman kayo? Wow, sige nga kung mag-DJ kayo. Yes, pancake. Ang dami po guys, ayan o. So, ano pong best seller?
A4, A5, A6.
Parang code ng sapatos. Ay, gusto ko yung cheese bake. A5 po. Ikaw ano?
Ako, I think I like the chicken cutlet, ano na lang, cheese bake.
I would like to call Miss Nina, the owner of Chinese Family. Hi, Miss Nina. Why don't you join us?
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, how many stores do you have?
2 only actually.
One here and the other one. Where in Makati?
The big Hongkong.
How long has this been here in Binondo?
Last year.
Wala pa. So my question, tila ba ito sing ngayon at
So, medyo nabibenta daw ba kayo minsan? No. Tonight,
she wants to know how are you get your ingredients for your pancake?
Actually, the pancake in China is popular street food.
So you brought it here in the Philippines,
Yeah.
so there, are you excited? So any other questions?
这边那个海天气你啊，王真的，你不要来。
So what my friend wants to know is how is it different to other pancakes?
I see here the pancake, they will put some fruit, maybe fruit sauce, but we know you can see our food.
Wow.
Any you like, I can put.
Oh, you can put. Where is my sleepers? You put my sleepers. Kita ka doon siya niya, siya na doon siya niya.
Because their sauce is yummy.
Oh, tignan siya niya to channel din. Tina, thank you very much and we're excited to try your pancake. I'll pay for it before we start eating it. We have our order already. Tapos definitely we're gonna pay. But Miss Nina here, she doesn't want us to pay. Thank you very much for your kindness and your generosity. Yes, we will definitely, this is good. She doesn't want us to pay, but she wants us to be part of the team. So we're gonna start working here. So I'll wait for it to cool down a bit because it's very, very hot.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'll eat this 5 minutes from now.
Wow.
So I think this is very nice because it's my first time to eat Chinese
Me too, it's my
pancake.
first time actually.
And don't forget the shop, of course.
Yes, Nina's Chinese Pancake located here at Ongpin. Palamigin na natin, tapos chibog na tayo. So eto na po, yung kay Ian, chicken and sausage. Pero pinalis yung chicken, so sausage na lang siya. Mine is itong cheesy bacon. Makainit. Pero masarap. Fairness.
Feels like in China. Feels like in China. Ikaw na, siniyo.
Guys, the best time to come here daw weekdays. Kasi weekend, super haba ng pila. Actually, kahit weekdays daw, medyo mahaba-haba pa pag mga medyo maaga-aga pa. So, hapon na yung punta namin, kaya wala na masyado. Wala. Kami lang, tsaka ilang customer. Try niyo yan. Come here at Nina's Chinese Pancakes. Steady lang kayo dyan. Gagawin si Victoria. Alam mo guys, nung kaming dalawa ni Ian dati na start kayo mag-singkala, mga first few sets namin, na-amaze. Kasi nakatingin talaga siya sa akin. Nung nag-perform ako, akala ko parang is she liking it or not? Yung pala natutuwa siya kasi nag-i-English ako.
Yeah, because she speaks English very well. Unlike me kasi,
Uy,
ng mga panahon na yun, hindi pa ako nakakapag Di ba
Galing ka na pa.
teaching ako ng English 101.
Oo. Siya yung unang nagpatikim sa akin. Yung corned beef na kulay blue na Pure Foods na luncheon meat. Pure Foods Bikini Men. Alam mo, sabi ko, nakakain mo dapat ganitong brand yung imported. I-try mo to. Ang sarap. From then on, yun talaga. Ang sarap talaga. Ang laki ng pantry niya, guys. Sa apartment niya sa Mandaluyong. Laki ng pantry. Pagbukas mo, talagang yung luncheon meat talaga.
Ano doon?
Yun lang, isa lang talaga. Tapos pag naubos, papalitan na. Ang laki!
Nasa baba, puro sayote, di ba?
Yeah! Yun yung chika namin sa stage na nag-aawin pa, nag-ayaman-yamana kami. Hoy, ang ganda-ganda ng rep. Ganda-ganda ng rep ko, dalawang pintuan. Pagbukas mo, sayote lang nasa loob. May katabing guling.
You're so fine
I
now.
know.
Hi! Hi! Nakakatuwa mo. I know. Last year. In my vlog, ha?
Sibugin ko lang to. Tapos, kakain tayo nung ano, guys, na classic Chinese siopaw, yung piniprito. Basta kain tayo. Let's go, guys! So ito actually, madalas to, may pila. So in a way, maganda na rin yung ginawa kong oras na dating dito kasi wala na po masyadong pila. Ito po, itong the original Gooch. Ayan. Pipila lang tayo, bibili tayo ng siopaw, tapos kakain tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi naman po kami medyo malayo dun sa pila. Bukod dun sa kanilang siopaw, they have kekayang.
The kekayang is one of the best Chinese food that you ever since 1985.
Grabe pera mo lahat dito, nag-improve yung English mo. Iniwanan kita ng ganyan, pagbalik ko ganyan ka pa.
Tumawag ka dyan, always
Bayaran ko lang, pagkatapos, kain na tayo.
Ayan, dito lang yan sa may original Shanghai fried siopaw since 1985. Always hot. 35 each.
Oh! What can you say about the Philippines? Very potent.
Actually, it's not for me kasi very ako.
Oh my God, the sweetness is exquisite.
Oh my God.
Yung totoo.
Shanghai siya, no? Shanghai, kaya pala siya kasi lasang lumpiang Shanghai na
Yung
siopaw.
no?
That's why it's called Shanghai siopaw. 985, 35 pesos each.
Always hot.
Kasi sabi siya, parang siyang siomai, nilagay mo siya sa tinapay ng siopaw. Pero kakaiba kasi usually nasa wrapper yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Lumpia wrapper, but this one, okay, so try this one.
We're gonna move on to the next one. We just have to finish this. Bakit?
Yes!
Hindi kasi dragon is
Actually, yes!
Japanese.
Gee!
What is your favorite food?
Favorite food is lansones.
Lansones.
Lansones. Was born in
Ayun o, yung bisig. Kain tayo noon, taratawin tayo. Madalas ko din nakikita to itong Oi Chicken Chinese bites. So, o-order daw po doon. Meron sila mga parang papicho-picho. Tapos, eto yung, hi, what's your name? JR. Si JR nakita ko, sabi niya, you have to order there. Tapos gagawin nila yun. Masarap yan. Ha? JR naman. Sige, thank you. Cute! Ay, nalagyan. Ay, oo. Maharap. Bubuo mo naman yung friend ko. Ay, oo. Ubo. Aso. Maharap. Order ako noon. Habang mo-order kami noon, papalog ko na ako din. Eto din. Nakikita ko to din madalas. Are you proud of our country because we have something like, you know, little China in our country?
All the culture is from China, right? Yeah, China. So I'm so happy on that. I saw you the video. I'm also one of the people.
Surely, and you know what makes me happy? You speak good English.
Thank you, thank you. I love you also.
Oh, you love Philippines. I love you too. Why don't we get them? What's your name?
Oscar.
Oscar. I'm Ted. I'm pleased to meet you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your vacation. I think Oscar wants to marry me. Feeling ko na. Is that right, Oscar? Oh, alam niyo na that. Doon, kabahang ka na. Niligaw ng Chinese. At order ko kung yung tinutusok, yung pinakain ni JR kanina sa akin. Ano po yun?
Milky pizza.
Ano po? Ano? Tama na po siya mistik. Ay, sabi niya wala po pag mistik 150. Okay, so I was lucky enough na pakita. This is how they do it inside. This is their parang, hindi tayo lumapit masyado yan. Ito yung prep area nila, the production area. So this is where they cut the bicho-bicho. Tapos ayun yung milk na nilalagay nila. Tapos ayun yung, and the boys are happily working. I'm excited to eat the bicho-bicho with my powdered milk. Let's go. Guys, ito na po yung sa Oishikun, kanilang bicho-bicho with milk. There you go. Nice. Normally, di ba yung bicho-bicho, alam natin may added sugar. Sarap. Wala siyang asukal, pero yung sweetness na meron na doon sa starch, no.
Glad you tried it.
Liking it. You're liking it, right?
It's very Oishikun.
Nire-serve namin yung iba pang himagas kasi nakain na kami ng pusit ni ate.
How is it? Nice.
Wala mo sanay tayo sa pusit na piniprito, di ba? Pero ito inihaw, first time ko to try, inihaw na pusit sa sarap.
Sarap.
Magpapasalamat ako kung baba uric acid ko na. Kaya laban ako, dala mo?
Sapaw.
Dalawa na muna. Ang sabi niya, ilang kakainin mo iyan? Isa. Dalawa ka.
Sarap.
Normally, do you eat this for breakfast?
Yeah, usually gusto.
Anong normal na breakfast ko? Like, sinaserve sa'yo sa...
It depends naman sa American breakfast, like pancakes, sausages. Pero minsan may mood naman ako na parang I want Filipino food.
Yeah.
Like the dunked one, the
Like the
sweet
dunked
one, and this yan, sunny side egg.
Sunny side up with sinangang ako.
But sometimes I eat oatmeal pag nagda-diet ako, like more fibers, more fun. Depends sa parang situation. Okay na ba to? Nakakatuwa naman kung gano'n. Oh, let me say, oh. Yeah, masarap na sauce mo. How did you do that?
Ate, how do you make your sauce daw? Mountain Dew, asukal.
Bago yun ba, Mountain Dew?
Ang suka po namin gamit sa
Pombo. Akala ko suka ng pusa yung binigay.
Dami naman si ate dito
Ate,
sa Ubi.
yes, hanapin niyo na siya sa tapat ng Oishikun. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, ate, ano ang pinakamaasim na suka? Hindi. Sabi niya dati po, hindi po. Ang pinakamaasim na suka, ang suka ng lasing. Wow. Alam mo, English speaking ka na ngayon, friends. Hanap naman tayo. Gusto namin kumain. We're in the mood to eat some noodles. Let's go. Thank you, ate. Oh my gosh, that was such a wonderful time travel, right?
Very comforting.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too. So this time, we're gonna try. Ikaw na nga muna.
Ikaw nga, kanina pa kami naglalakad. Medyo napagod na kami maglakad.
Sobrang talagang nagsipagal-tagalit. Ang hirap talagang mag-walk ko.
Kasi mamatanda na yung mga tsahin nyo. We're here at Great Eastern Restaurant. Kasi isa daw to, if not the best, one of the best lumpia restaurant or lumpia place here
At matagal
in
na
Binondo.
to.
Matagal
Sobrang
na.
tagal na.
Actually, 1867 nandito na siya.
Parang 1521 na dumating si Maggiara, nandito na rin siya.
Wala pa ako natitikman na fresh lumpia na hindi masarap.
Parang,
Huwag mong lagyan ng sauce yung plastic.
tinatanggal pala yun.
Hindi, kainin mo.
Malay ko ba kung pwede naman siya ilagay dyan for a while eating because para lang.
Let's try.
Parang,
It's kind of chewy and it's
tikman
fine.
ko nga.
It's plastic.
Lasang pustiso.
Alam mo, ayan. So, kukutsarahan natin kasi para sa sauce. Tapos meron din kami in-order na special kikiam. Di ba pag nasa ano ka, when you're in Binondo or Ongpin, matik na ito yung mga chibog mo. Ian, where do you get your inspiration of, yung funny? Like, kasi magkaibigan tayo, but you never fail to make me laugh. I mean,
I don't know, maybe everything happens for a reason. Wala ka makukuha matalong sagot sa akin, Day.
what we ordered is their special, yung may seaweeds. Hindi naman
Ang
nasayang
sarap.
yung paglalakad namin. Masarap naman siya.
Fairness. Walang eme, masarap talaga, oh. Kung ano
Dapat
na-
ganyan pinagkakain mo, hindi yung puro ka processed food. What are you expecting sa kikiam na yan?
Kasi the usual kikiam na nabibili mo na mura, yung
Yung
tinutusok-tusok sa
tutok-tutok.
street food. Yung talaga, same ang ano nun, ang lasa nun. Nagkakaiba lang dun sa sauce. But this one is very authentic because it's from China. Sa China niya bibili to, hindi naman pala. So mga kaibigan, so ito yung na-expect ko. Ganun din to sa tusok-tusok din. Yan pala galing sa China. Ang dami na namin nakain, busog na ako. Pero sa sobrang sarap nito, parang gusto kong masulit. Dahil hindi naman talaga, hindi nyo kinain ganun kinuwakan mo. Nice day. Napansin ng viewer yun.
Kasi nandito yung plastic na sinubo na inusog kong gano'n. Okay lang naman, ano ka ba? We share the same bed. Pag natutulog ako sa kanila dati sa Mandaluyong, sa apartment sa Mandaluyong. Minsan pa nga pag may ano kami, one car lang kami sa kotse niya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, basta yun, pag gusto ko minsan mag-ano, iyan sabi ko medyo ano ko. I
miss those days. Kasi dati kasi we work sa isang comedy bar, same comedy bar. Ngayon kasi magkaiba na. So, nagkas yung mga times na magkasama kami dahil nga,
magkikita kami.
Kasi dahil nga, magkaiba na kami ng workplace.
Magkaroon kami ng ibang mga group of friends. Pero what's nice about it, you know,
anong tawag doon? Ano tayo?
we keep our communication open. Yeah, and like we try to say hi and hello, hi's, hellos constantly.
From time to time. She knows everything about me. I know everything about her. We knows everyone. We knows everything. And we knows it.
Because only heaven knows. First car nga ni Ian eh.
Oo, it's so
Nakanta mo pa yung first car mo?
Yeah, Mitsubishi Lancer and so traumatic.
At hindi pa niya Mitsubishi Lancer na GLXi.
Oo.
Ganun yun. Tapos, ano siya, heavily tinted, yung pang packboy na tint. Yung,
Yeah.
Oo.
First car ko
Tapos
yun.
hirap siya mag-drive, nakagano'n siya.
Ngayon kasi ang gamit ko,
E-bike.
e-bike na lang.
Mitsubishi e-bike.
True.
Yes. Hindi siya gumaya sa akin, no? Hello.
Ano ba?
Luxury car.
Anong luxury car mo?
Toyota pa Jack. Sa release lang pwede.
Sobra ka na.
Ganun lang po kami, promise talaga. Nothing's changed, promise. Yung kulit niya, kulit ko, ganun pa
Ang
rin.
unang away namin, natandaan mo pa.
Ano?
Super Fairy. Asa Super Fairy kami. Tapos niyaya ko siya.
Papunta na kami Boracay. First ko yun na barko.
Papunta
Nakabarko kayo
tama.
mapunta.
Boracay yun. Tapos niyaya kami ko. Kumakain pa siya. Sabay-sabay naman kami kumain. Kaso ang tagal niya kumain para mabagal. So bigla ako tara na, kain na tayo. Doon siya nagalit. Bastos ka kumakain. Ganun. First time ko siya nakita kasi parang ano pa lang yun eh. Mga 2 years pa lang kami magkaibigan. First time ko siya nakita na warla. So nag-sorry naman ako kasi mali nga naman ako kumakain pa siya.
Kasi ano to, yung Agad, si Agada. Siya talaga yung Agada tragedy. Tapos 2 years Eve, nag-drive siya sa Quezon na umiiyak siya sa kotse. Kaya ako, ang gago. Imbis na mag-medya noche with the family.
Ano yun, receptionist?
Tawag siya gano'n. Iyan, magpuputukan, umigal siya ba? Ayoko, bahala ka dyan.
Receptionist yun.
Yes, receptionist sa Laugh Live.
Punchline!
Ayun, nakakatawa siya pag na-inlove. All out din siya, promise. Yun yung, if we have something in common, we're both generous. Not only sa sarili namin, sa pamilya namin, but to whoever na minamahal namin sa ganun. Yun.
Let's finish na lumpia.
Kahit mo na ngayon lang,
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I know. So tapos na po kaming kumain, ayan. Ang maganda po dito sa restaurant na to, kunyari gusto niyo pa magawa pa ng kinain, meron sila dito.
Sa letra N eh.
Okay, letter B, 12. Nakakatawa yung bingo. Bingo, lumpia. Oh. Nakita ko din, vegetarian barbecue. Ito po, meron silang sausage, may tofu, rice cake, sausage made of. Kaya dapat natawag sa kanya soy sauce. Are you down for some vegetarian food? Hoy, are you down?
I'm so full. Pero gusto ko rin, i-picture mo naman si Kuya, kawawa naman yung isang siopay niya. Kahit daanan mo lang, pakita mo lang yung siopay, yung siopaw.
Vegetarian din po ba yan? Ay, pati itong ni Kuya. Okay, even itong siomay and then the siopaw, they're vegetarian po. Yung mga gusto gulay, all veggie. You could come here, on Pin Corner sa Lazar. We'll just wait for our order. Tapos kakain na kami ni Ian. Yan, sa so, wala, mabuang na siya. Ginabuang na siya dahil. So while waiting for my sausage and for my tofu, order tayo ng ito. First time ko to try there. Hi Kuya, what's your name?
Jam po.
Jam, short for Jumbo. Charot. Jumbo hotdog. Kaya mo ba to? Kanina nakita ko si Kuya, pinalitan na lang yung kamay niya kasi sumama. Kasi na po, pinalitan na ng panibag. Magkano po yung isang baso na with lemon?
20 minutes.
125 with lemon. Ayan na siya. Fresh sugarcane juice. Dito lang yan sa katabi nila na parang isa lang yata may-ari nito. No? O, yun know, pala. Dito lang po yan sa may Ongpin Corner, Salazar. Guys, our sugarcane juice, fresh sugarcane juice with lemon is ready. Alam niyo, ang bilis. Pwede, I have nothing against yun sa mga smoothies or mga milk tea or kape. Okay lang yan. But, you know, once in a while, try something much fresher and much healthier. So, eto na siya. Let's try that.
Perfectly
Oh,
beautiful.
tama po, bumalik ako. Ano na? What can you say about it?
Perfectly beautiful.
Perfectly beautiful. Eh,
It's appealing to the palate.
it's appealing to the palate. Just in time for summer, you know, something to quench your thirst on very, very hot summer day.
Definitely thumbs up.
Ito, partner na natin ito.
Ay, partner na pa ba niyan?
Oh.
And this is meat? No, vegetable.
Hindi, all meat siya. Vegetarian, sausage. Parang siyang tikoy na pang-ulam. Guys, sobrang happy namin ngayon.
It's like we're in Malaysia. Parang ganyan naralasahan
Meron
ko.
siyang parang Arabic na
amoy.
parang cumin siya or something.
Highly recommended here in Ongpin Corner, Salazar Street. This thing, this food, ganvalizing. Bala ka dyan.
Guys, so that concludes our trip of time here in Binondo with my friend Ian Red. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure working with you.
Wow.
I just call you when they call you.
Subscribe po kayo, of course, sa channel niya, Ian Red Vlog.
Ian
Guys,
Red.
please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Divine Tetay. Konting kembot na lang, malapit na tayo sa 1 million. Nox, ilandang lipa. Charot. Pero laban lang. Be more loving and caring every day. Isa namang love, love, love dyan.
Love, 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 love.
Thank you so much, guys. Love you.
Love you.
Can you just be more, yung ayusin mo yung mo. English mo, so crooked, I swear.
English ko?
Yeah, like, can you just do better?
Live with it.
Bye, guys.